Hey everybody, we have an extremely nice 1971 Chevelle SS 454 that's got a ZZ Performance, GM Performance Crate 454 under the hood. We got air conditioned, power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes, posi rear end, F41 suspension, Tremec 5-speed, 370 posi, tilt, gauges, body off frame rotisserie restoration. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can look at 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's get started. Let's go for a spin. What am I saying? It's the first time I've ever done that. Anyway, it's 71 Chevelle, beautiful. I guarantee it did not look this good in 71. It has a true cowl induction hood with the working flapper door. Also comes with hood pins. And this is all in excellent alignment, square, flush, absolutely straight. The whole side of the car is absolutely straight. It is smooth all the way down to the bottom. Look at the gaps. All this is beautiful. I just rolled up the windows. Let's see how it shuts, even with the windows up. Like a new car. Quarter panel, looks pristine. All of this. The trunk, the corners are smooth, excellent. Looks like glass. All this is straight. The lines are the way they're supposed to be. The curves, look at the trim, fits the body, spot on. This is quality. The rockers are smooth underneath. Look at that. Not even dirty. Let's see how this door shuts. The jambs are painted as slick as the outside. Nice solid uh, closing like new. All that square flush. So the body's excellent. The hood sits flush. So many of these Chevelles, they sit up or the trim will rub the fender. Not on this one. Nevada silver, the metal flake is all laid out evenly everywhere. And the clear coat is polished, smooth as glass, including the SS stripes. You cannot feel them at all. This feels slick as can be. The chrome and trim is exceptionally nice. I mean, the bumpers, I think they're show quality chrome. There's no fuzziness. All of the moldings, the emblems, all of this is just sparkling. This is all so fresh looking. Even this here, they're not all scratched up like usual. The moldings, the emblems, look at the moldings around the glass. The rain gutters, these are polished like chrome. They're stainless steel, but they are polished. They're extra shiny. All the rubber seals all fit real nice. They're all replaced. New door handles, all new glass all the way around. The vinyl top still looks brand new and it fits beautifully. No issues with that. Back here, the bumper is beautiful. The lenses, sparkling emblems, all look slick. You don't feel the stripes. It's sitting on a set of 15-inch. The SS wheels, they might be reproduction because they look to be like new. BF Goodrich tires. So far, the car is outstanding. Let's open it up and see how the inside is. Tell you what, we have really nice cars. This is one of the exceptional cars. The fit, finish, function is really nice. Check out the bottom of the trunk lid. Look how smooth and glass finish that is. It has the stickers everywhere. The nuts, the bolts, the jams, everything is slick. The weather strip is replaced. Inside's all clean metal with a nice spatter finish. It has a trunk mat, complete jack and spare assembly, all nice and clean. Clean and complete. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. I bought this in North Carolina from a real good seller. I've learned to completely trust him. The cars he sells me are always excellent. So the jams are slick, weather strips are replaced, complete reproduction interior. Look at the door panels and the armrest and the window cranks and handles and door locks. All that looks new. The entire dash area all replaced. The bezels, the chrome trim, full gauge package, including the tachometer, the dash pad. Everything here is mint. The clock is ticking. It has a AM/FM stereo that works. It has the right to left controls, 4 speakers. Look at all the vents, the whole heater control panel, all that's been replaced, new lighter. If you buy the car, talk to the salesman. I think the shop has a trick. There's a spring or something to hold the ashtray closed all the way. Um, Glove box store, the vents. Inside, we got the owner's manual. Everything is just clean, proper. And now that, there we go. I always have a problem. They always embarrass me on film. As soon as we turn the camera off, I'll mess with that in a little bit. Kick panels are real nice. Carpets are real nice. Has reproduction mats on the floor. Even though it's a Tremec 5-speed, it looks stock. Has a stock style boot and the retainer around the boot. Has a full set of GM seat belts, front and back. You can see the seat upholstery is all redone in the factory style. The seat feels real good. The headrests are recovered. Everything back here, all nice and clean. Reproduction mats. Again, wall to wall looks like new. The panels and armrests, and we got seat belts and upholstery, all in excellent shape. The rear shelf is real nice with factory style speaker grills. There are 6x9s back there. The trim around the windows, all nice. The sail panels are real nice. Headliner fits tight as a drum. Working dome light. Got the shoulder belts. We got new visors, new mirror. It's all looking really good. Deluxe steering wheel on a tilt column. So got some nice features in here. You got a bench seat. You can sit close to your sweetheart. This latch on this glove box looks new. So that is a ZZ454. This one's putting out, they said, about 465 horsepower. This is a GM Performance crate motor. There's the GM bow tie on the aluminum intake. There are also GM aluminum heads. Underneath the air cleaner is a dual feed Holley carburetor, HEI distributor in the back, and it is a functional cowl induction. A lot of times a guy throws a hood on there, but this is all functional. There's the wire and the vacuum pod for the doors and flappers. It's all open and closed. It's a factory air conditioned car. It's all been serviced with a few upgrades, modern Freon. The engine has headers. And you can see all the metal finishes, nice gray hinges, nice silver jambs, nice satin black trim. Delco battery topper, spring clamp cables, the right radiator cap. It's a wide radiator. Everything up here is neat and tidy, proper. The right shroud, reproduction hoses and clamps. The alternator looks fresh. We got power steering, air conditioning. The washer bottle's hooked up. All the wires are run properly. We got power brakes with a cadmium plated booster. Reservoir for the hydraulic clutch. Wiper motor looks like that's been replaced. Under the hood's all smooth black, has hood insulation. So very nice car, very well done. Michael's going to show you how it runs. We'll see in a few minutes.
Everybody, really nice muscle car here. This Chevelle's got the ZZ454 under the hood. That's freaking awesome. Dyno tuned at 469 horsepower. Definitely have a good time with this one. Get in a little trouble too, if that's your thing. It's paired with a 5-speed manual trans. Really nice configuration there. This thing started right up for me, no problem at all. Really nice clean restoration. I'm really liking the bench seat here. I can get real nice and close with the cutie on that one. That's where I would be. And yeah, we spent about a $1,500 bill only on this one between service and detail. That's really good. We just charged the air conditioning and wired the turn signal switch. Let's see what she's got. Yeah, it's totally babying her up to 60, absolutely no issue. Let's bump it into fifth gear at 65. Looks like we're sitting at 1,800 RPMs, I want to say. Yeah, 1,800 RPMs, 65 miles an hour. Fantastic. Take the long way to the car show with this one. Absolutely gonna have a blast. See how she goes down the road. This alignment is very nice, very dialed in, as is the rest of the car. And yeah, come down, test drive it for yourself. You will see that it is an exceptional vehicle that runs and drives really, really nicely. Also, check out all the details on our website, volocars.com.
So the body was off the frame, flipped on a rotisserie. That way they could work on the body at every angle. And at that point, there's nothing left on the body. And the whole chassis completely removed from under the car, taken apart. The frame was powder coated. This has the F41 sport suspension. That's front and rear sway bars, rear box control arms. All of that was rebuilt, replaced. Upgraded with disc brakes at all four wheels, so the whole brake system's been gone through. It has some nice custom exhaust. It's a dual exhaust with a crossover pipe, Flowmaster mufflers, yet it still has the SS cowbell tips on the back. So you could call this a Restomod because it's restored the look stock, but it also has modifications, a crate motor, a Tremec 5-speed, four-wheel disc brakes. Looking up at the motor, it's clean Chevy orange. There's a tag right on the engine. You can look up the number, and it's the number for the ZZ 454 engine. It's a Tremec 5-speed with a hydraulic clutch. New drive shaft, so there's a sticker on it. 370 posi gears in the back. The fuel tank looks new. All that was replaced. And the floors are pristine metal, all painted black under there. So an exceptional car throughout. If you buy it, remind the salesman to adjust the ashtray and the glove box door, which, by the way, as soon as I was off camera, I gave it a gentle push and turned the knob a little bit and it latched, but maybe that can be adjusted a little better. But a really, really nice car in the way it looks and the way it functions. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get your Chevelle delivered home and how to get it financed if you need that too. Thanks for watching.